Hi everyone! So today we're going to be working on these simple puff flowers. These are super simple and great for beginners. They're easy to make, great way to use up scrap yarn that you might have in your stash. For supplies, you're going to need a crochet hook. I'm using a 5mm, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. And for yarn, you can use any yarn you have in your stash. I'm just using a category 4 yarn. So use anything you have on hand. We're going to start by making a magic circle. Make your magic circle any way that you know how to. This is how I like to make mine. I'm going to be chaining 1, and into my loop I'm going to be working 12 single crochets. I'm just counting to make sure that I have my 12 single crochets. I'm going to tighten up my loop a little bit by pulling that tail end. And I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet stitch that we made. And now I'm going to cut and tie so I can attach my second color. If you don't want to work another color, you can just leave your yarn attached. And I'm just going to weave in my tail there a little bit. So with my second color, I'm just going to be making a slip knot here and attaching my yarn to any of the single crochets. Now I'm going to start by chaining up 3. Start by chaining 3. Yarn over and into that same stitch, drop a loop, make that loop the same height as your chain 3. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, into that same stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert into that same stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 again. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and into the next stitch, drop a loop, and pull through 2. Repeat that 2 more times. Now you're going to yarn over and you're going to draw through all of those loops, chain 1 to close, and chain 2 into the same stitch that you were just working into. Work a slip stitch. And you've completed your first petal. Now we're going to repeat the same thing. We're going to chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat. And you're going to work into your next stitch 3 incomplete double crochets. You're going to yarn over, pull through all the loops, chain 1 to close, and chain 2. And now just repeat that all the way around until you get back to your first petal. And I'm just finishing up my last petal here. I'm going to slip stitch to the base of that last petal, and that is it. So you're going to cut and tie and weave in your ends, but that is how you make a puff flower. And there you go, all done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!